Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to do technical analysis of Chiliz token and definitely going to tell you my next medium duration targets, my next immediate short term targets and my next long duration target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please thumbs up the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description and please friends thumbs up the like button right now. This is CoinGecko page of Chiliz and it is currently trading at $0.61 and price decreased 25% in 24 hours. This price decline is due to the parabolic move which this token took, and let me please show you some statistics and after that I will do technical analysis of this token too. Market cap of this token is 3.2 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 6 billion and circulating supply of this token is 8.8 billion and total supply of this token is 8.8 billion and total circulating supply of this token is 5.34 billion and current rank of this token is 31 and this is the website chiliz.com. Once you click on this button, this will lead you to the website of this token. This is the website of this token. World's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment, and these are official partner of this token. And what is Chiliz? Chiliz is a currency option for blockchain backed products and service geared towards mainstream consumers. We want to elevate everyday experiences for engagement in entertainment, alternative payment solutions for conventional products and more. Chiliz provides sports and entertainment entities with blockchain-based tools to help them engage and monetize their audience. This is Chiliz token. You can read this and you can visit this token's website. Before investing, please do your own research, and I will not responsible any of your loss because this video is just for informational purpose, and I will not responsible. And let me please show you some price statistics, and after that we are doing definitely we can I will do technical analysis and my price prediction for this token. Chiliz is at $0.61 right now. Chiliz rate of return on investment is 2,695%. Very good profit it gives to its holders. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.18% and 24-hour low price of this token was $0.58 and 24-hour high price of this token was $0.87. And market rank of this token is 31 and all-time high of this token was $0.87, which was on March 13, 2021, about 23 hours ago. And all-time low of this token was 0.0041 and it was on September 28, 2019. And let me please show you some other some markets of this token. You can buy this token from these exchanges: Binance, Upbit, Pero, at HitBTC. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to get some small coins, small cap coins and hidden coins, you can join Hotbit for this purpose, and this is the link of Hotbit exchange. And if you want to open a leverage account on Bybit for leverage trading, then this is the link for the Bybit. Let's dive into the chart right now and let me tell you the targets. Here you can see price was rejected from that zone and it was at $0.94, and this is the Tether US 4-hour Binance chart, USDT chart. And here you can see price is currently at 0.59. This is the major support of this token is $0.56. I think definitely maybe price goes to this, and after that price will again move towards upside. And let me please tell you my first target according to the TA. This is our first target, $0.94, and let me please label on this. This is our first target. If unfortunately Chiliz break this zone, then maybe it will go down to hit this level, maybe 0.27, but I think it should have to bounce back from that zone, and after that it will hit $0.94. Let me please tell you my other targets. My second target of Chiliz token is this zone. $1.32. 0.94 is first target. $1.32 is our second target for this token right now. And let me please show you my long duration target for this token and medium duration target for this token right now. I think this token has a huge potential, and this is a good choice, and this is a good NFT token. That is why I think this is the year of NFT tokens. I told you in my previous video that the tokens related to NFT and NFT based token will grow more than other tokens, I think so, in this year. It is currently at 0.61 golden pocket of this Fibonacci, and very good time to buy this token right now. And let me please tell you my first target. This is the target that I'm going to tell you is for the 6 month, and let me please do this. Friends, please keep supporting and thumbs up the like button right now. This is our first target, first medium duration target. You can say target of 6 months to 8 months. Definitely it have to hit 3.94 or maybe $4, and within this year, I think within 6 to 8 months, I think so. This is very realistic target, and it should have to hit this zone and should have to hit $4 price level. I think this is very realistic target, and it will give you 600% gain within 2021. This is my target for 2021 this year, and at the till the end of 2021, I think it should have to give you 600% gain. And if you want to hold this token for 2022 or later on, then let me please tell you my target. In that case, I think the price should be $10, I think so. Very realistic to in 2022. Definitely it should have to hit this zone. I am very much certain on this target, and it should have to give you 16x, I think 1600% gain once it hit this target. These are the two targets. These are three targets, sorry. First target is $4 within 2021, and second target is $10 within 2022, and these are medium duration targets. Let me again show you. These are the medium duration target. You can say that immediate short-term targets. This token should have to hit these targets. These are the very realistic target, I think. I am not creating any kind of hype up for this token. I think these are very realistic targets according to the technical analysis and technical tools. This is my prediction. And friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button. And if you want to join these exchanges, then please go to in video's description, where you can get the link of Binance, Hotbit and Bybit, and you can create your account by these links. Thanks for the watching, friends. Keep supporting me. Take care.